Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. So guys, today our topic is how to make an awesome gaming logo for your YouTube channel. So before we started our video, make sure that you subscribe our channel so you can get the latest videos on how to make money and how to grow your YouTube channel. So let's get started. When you think about your favorite video game content creator like PewDiePie or Ninja, or you think of their colorful personalities and gameplay, some parts of your brain you think about their visual identity too. The same place you out for the other content creator brand and other business, no matter how big or small they may be. Brand identity cultivates. If you are thinking of creating your YouTube channel dedicated to live streaming, videos, games, or creating epic gameplays, you will never go wrong with a video game logo design. According to Google Internet data, this is important of content creators is an industry with the viewership of 2018 Super Bowl. The market is saturated and newcomers may find it challenging to be seen. A game logo encapsulates who you are as a gamer. Like other forms of branding, an epic logo will make your channel memorable, and no, it's not difficult or expensive to get one. Follow these simple steps and you are good to go. Creating a video game YouTube logo. To give you a more comprehensive guide on how to do this, we have created a step-by-step guide. After reading this article, you can increase your chances of connecting with your community. So, are you ready to learn a basic logo design? Head over to Brand Crowd's landing page and enter your channel name on the business name text box. You can enter your keyword on the text box below the search logo design. Ensure that the option logo maker is one of the drop down menu and click the search logos button. Number 2 is customize the design. Brand Crowd's customizing page has a lot of options for you to edit your choose a logo design. As the brand or business owners, you can choose from a wide variety of colors, font and layouts to complete your desired design. You can start customizing your logo for free by typing in your brand name or channel name on the text box. If you don't like the feature default font, you can change it by clicking on the drop down box and select from the given fonts. You can also click the C option to take your menu of font options with a preview of how the font will look on the logo. Number 3 is download your logo. After completing at your design requirement and specifications, you can either go back to the design later or download it immediately. There are two ways to purchase your logo: by the standard license or by the exclusive license. Buying one of the license gives you the right to design. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel so you can get the latest videos on how to make money and how to grow your YouTube. So take care of yourself. So we will meet in our next video. Take care. Goodbye.